Hello everybody, here I am at SAA headquarters on a very special day for me personally, because today is the day that my book is launched. The SAA has in stock copies of this book. It's over 190 pages of pure watercolour paintings, and it's really about my journey through watercolour painting. It's got a working practices section, it's got a photo montage, it's got over 150 full colour plates. The cover is a silky sheen, it's beautiful to touch, and the inside is also a silky feel. It's great, I hope you enjoy it, and the first 50 copies have been signed by me personally. Enjoy, thank you.